Themes I found on Cydia. First, I got my themes. After I found a thing that is named raindrops. So I click install. After that, I wait a few minutes like this. After that, I click install. Once I did that, I click allow and then close. After that, I get to my settings. And click profile, download, install. After that, I entered my password. After that, I click install. After that, I get out of my settings and then that is a raindrop theme I found. It's good for rain when it's raining. So bye bye. I pretty much like this theme.